What's the difference between a Medeco Maxum deadbolt and one that you would find at a typical big box store? Everything. For starters, you'll notice a significant difference in the weight of these two products. That's because the Medeco deadbolt uses more robust components. It's built to meet the highest independent testing standards in the industry for performance and security. Certified BHMA Grade 1. Look at the size of the bolt. When amplified by the reinforced strike that screws all the way into the studs, it stands up to physical attack. That's the difference between a lock designed to close your door and one designed to keep it shut. To upgrade your security, find a dealer near you at medeco.com/deadbolt.